Armored elites were meant to protect kingdoms, but they ended up doing something worse. They didn't lose battles. They bankrupted entire empires. And today, the same mistake is happening again. A single knight wasn't cheap. Armor, horses, weapons, training, land, food. Each one drained massive resources from the kingdom every single day. So kings did what seemed logical. They hired more knights for protection, but every knight came with a hidden cost. More knights meant more protection, but it also meant more taxes. More taxes created anger. Anger created rebellion. Rebellion forced even more knights. It was a loop the kingdoms could not escape. And slowly, they collapsed from the inside, not from enemies, from expenses. Now look at today. We don't hire knights anymore, but we still build systems that drain us. Manual work, slow businesses, expensive freelancers, time-consuming content. People aren't going bankrupt in gold anymore. They are going bankrupt in time and energy. But something has changed. AI breaks this pattern completely. Instead of hiring knights, you deploy AI systems, no-code website builders, automated niche content, AI-driven traffic systems, machines that don't sleep, don't eat, and don't demand constant cost. They scale while you stay in control. Here's the simple path. Pick a niche with demand. Build a no-code AI site. Generate useful content automatically. Monetize with ads or affiliate links. The first goal is not millions. It's $100 per day within 14 days of traction. Knights protected kingdoms, but drained them. AI does the opposite. It removes the drain entirely. So the question is simple. Are you building your system or funding your collapse? Subscribe now for more cinematic AI money strategies.